Port Jackson shark is one of my favourite sharks. When I was a teenager, I found one stranded close to shore, couldn't get back out to sea, and so I helped it out, and it helped me overcome my fear of sharks. And so with this third version of how to make stamps by using little lino cuts, I'm using the most common lino that I use. It's called Silkcut. And I love this stuff. I just like to carve it. It just has a really unique image when you carve it. One of the things I like about carving it is that you can bring your tool along, slide it through, and then just flick it up and it just sort of breaks off fairly straight at the end. Whereas the other linos I've been using are more rubbery. They don't do that. You go to the end and you have to get the knife and cut the end off. So I love this stuff. I love the way it holds a really sharp image when you carve it, and I love the look of it. You can see when I've done this first test print though, it doesn't print that well. So I'm going to cut out the image. Again, this is also hard to do. It's got a mesh backing, and so it's hard to cut out. So I usually get a large V gouge and cut all the way around the outside of the image. And then I get the sharp scalpel-like knife and push through till I cut the mesh on the other side. It's that hessian stuff that holds the whole thing together that makes it very hard to just cut. So now that I do a print, it's much better with the image out. With this, the less black areas and the more sort of lined areas, the better the print. Out of the 3 stamps I've made, I love carving this one the most. I love the detail this one holds the most, more than the others. But I'm afraid the easy cut, the soft cut or easy cut, is the best for actually making stamps, because when you actually test this out and get kids to try and stamp it, kids can stamp the easy carve one really, really well, and they really struggle to stamp the other ones. So the verdict out of all this is easy carve wins, which I'm sad about because the Silkcut is my favourite. You can have a look at the other 2 videos here if you wanted to check those out. I hope this is being helpful. I'll see you next time.